Welcome back to another After Work Special. My name is Garrett and this is Mojo Manufacturing. So I got this angle block off of Amazon for about $32. And I had plans for it to go like this, so I can hold my soft jaws in here while I'm running one operation, have a different offset, come over here and run these two, the vertical on the inside of the shifter. So these would be like this, and they'd run the top side down in top there. These would be sitting over here doing the second operation. Pretty cool, except I don't know how I can go about. I guess I'll have to drill new holes here to fit in those slots. And then I thought about threading these holes here, these holes. So we'll have those holes threaded and these holes will be through holes. And I can just put half 13 bolts straight through there and it would run back and forth. So I can open it up, put new ones in, tighten it back up against it. Done. But I gotta drill the holes in here first to fit in those slots, unfortunately. Terrible Monday. Got home, got everything ready to go to run the second operation of 4 shifter handles. No bueno. The program ended up stopping because I ran out of room over here. So I had this hanging over and there wasn't enough travel for the spindle to go over here. So had to repost it, and I forgot to reset to 0, and bam. First one scrapped. Second one scrapped. I had a little bit of tool pull out with the ball end mill. And you can sort of see it there, right in the middle. So I stopped it, tried to fix it. That didn't fix. I think I must have had a little bit of tool pull out with a shear hog, and it pulled it out too far, just a little bit too far, and then we're lopsided. They cut it too far on this side. Right there. Might be able to see it. So yeah. What a Monday. So I got home really quick today. This is Tuesday now. And ran 4. And I have 1 in a tumbler way over there. Right there. I rearranged some stuff. Now my powder coat oven's over there. So I quickly ran 4 of these. First off and second off. It is now 9:47. My bedtime is like 10 o'clock. So have this ready to go tomorrow. I'm gonna rig this thing up just like it is. I'll put them right here on the side and then run both operations. Hopefully I have a surprise for tomorrow. Maybe a thread mill. It is now Wednesday and I did not receive my thread mill for the third op. So today I really just want to set up the third operation for the shifter handles offset from the side, like I showed you yesterday. So it's going to be over here offset to the side while I run 2 in my soft jaws. I'll be running 2, and then I'll also be running 2 more. So second and third op will both be running 2 at the same time. First operation will be by itself. So I just spotted the holes right there, and I'm going to use this 1/2-inch drill. Never used a drill that big yet with the Tormach, so that's basically what it's going to look like. It's going to drill these holes right here. It's going to drill the holes, come down, clear them out with a 1/4-inch end mill. So I decided to put a smaller drill in there. Obviously, I don't know what I was thinking, so let's try that out. I have no idea why I can't get this thing to drill with a 1/2-inch drill. Is it because I'm not using a carbide drill or a high-speed drill? I don't even know what this thing is. I mean, I don't know. I think that's what the reason is, but I can't get this thing. It'll stall out. Can't get the thing to drill, so. Now, after drilling that thing out, I'm going to put the 1/4-inch end mill in there and let that do its thing, hopefully. Okay, so that was severely painful to hear. I have no idea what's going wrong when I machine this. I mean, that was some of the worst chatter. It's not the worst chatter, but that was pretty bad chatter. Anyway, so this is what it's going to look like here. And those are the holes we just drilled right there, and they fit in those slots. Right there and right there. So I'm going to go get some bolts for those, and I think that'll be it. Hopefully Sunday's video will be some thread milling, hopefully, if everything goes as planned, which it hasn't really been, but it'll get there.